Hey Lex, how's it going, buddy? Did you talk to that lady? Oh, she's being stupid? Oh, I understand. Champagne taste on a beer budget, that's funny. Well, do you think I should call her and maybe send her to another dealership? Oh, she didn't even have no money down, so she lied to us. Oh, well, you know how it is. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and keep sitting in front of my 32-inch LCD monitor and I'll flag these guys off Craigslist. Yeah, hopefully I'll get some calls today. I had a guy named Joe Dirt call me and he wanted a vehicle, but I think he was a scam. You know how people are, they always want to make fun. So, okay, buddy. Well, hopefully, maybe we can get a deal. You can flip over into my name. Really appreciate that. But I'll keep grinding it, man. I'll keep doing my thing. I'm gonna have to take some of these, guys off Craigslist though, because I think they're hurting my business. All right, buddy. Talk to you later. Bye bye.